far away. Oh, I'll just bring them up. Slow down a bit, see?
Hectic.
Now you got to steer him into my. There he is. Right, slow down a bit, slow down. That's it. You just keep him off the boat.
Take a deep breath.
Enjoy the moment.
Just enjoy it. No, don't try.
I've heard that before. That's it. Now wind down on him. That's it. Wind down. Yep, now just leave it there.
Peter.
Now just steer him into me. Here it is.
Look at the size of that one. I just pulled a big one in. Out him, you beauty! Oh!
All right.
Derek, that's the biggest one by far, mate. Hey, well done, mate. Well done.
This is a live interview here, so what did you think of that? Was that pretty good?
Well done. Thank you. Bloody tasty.